Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Put on long sleeves, gloves, and eye protection so you can act without panic. Approach quietly and position yourself upwind at 6-10 feet. This reduces wasp drift and keeps you safer. Once done, confirm you have 2 cans and a clear escape path. You'll spray in short bursts to conserve product and limit agitation. Make sure to choose dawn or dusk when wasps are least active, and keep a phone nearby in case you need help. You now execute the spray methodically. Aim at the nest opening from 6-10 feet and use short 1 to 2 second bursts, then pause to observe effects. This limits spray plume and ensures product reaches inside cavities. Once done, slowly rotate your stance to cover other entrances without moving closer. Keep retreating a few paces between bursts. Make sure to watch for angry flight patterns. If wasps swarm you, back up immediately and wait at a safe distance before continuing. You complete the job by stepping back and waiting at least 24 hours, then checking from a safe distance to confirm no wasp movement. Once done, if you still see activity, reapply with the same short burst technique and avoid direct contact. Repeated treatments are common for deep nests. Make sure to remove or cover food sources to prevent return. If aggressive activity persists or the nest is large and high, call a professional exterminator as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.